6 types of tie knots. Simple knot. It goes with casual and business looks. It goes with collars and ties of all types. Suitable for beginners and perfect for tall men. Small knot. Perfect for any occasion. Point fits shirts with narrow collars. It fits thick ties. Suitable for very tall men. Double knot. Perfect for any occasion. It goes with collars and ties of all types. It fits thin ties. Quick to make. Windsor knot. Point and a knot for big occasions. It fits shirts with open collars and can be worn with a vest. Ideal with long ties. Atlantic knot. Point suitable for casual occasions. It goes well with open collars, but it is difficult to make. Lodo half Windsor. Classic is perfect for formal occasions. Point fits shirts with open collars. Suitable for thin ties. It goes with all fabrics.